Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to make everyone able to reply to an old post on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. If you've ever posted something and later realized you want to open up the conversation to more people, this new update makes it simple. First, open your web browser and go to X. Make sure you're logged into your account. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Click on your profile. This will take you to your personal timeline, where all your posts are listed. Now, scroll through your posts and find the one you want to update. Once you've found it, look for the three dots icon on the top right corner of the post. Click on those three dots to open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Change Who Can Reply. This is the new feature that lets you adjust who can join the conversation, even after your post has been published. When you click it, you'll see a few choices. But to let everyone reply, simply choose the option labeled Everyone. That's it. Your post is now open for replies from anyone on X, not just the people you follow or those you mentioned in the original post. This is a great way to boost engagement, invite fresh perspectives, or just keep the conversation going with a wider audience. Remember, you can repeat these steps for any of your old posts whenever you want to change the reply settings. With this update, managing conversations on X is more flexible than ever. So, if you want to invite more voices to your posts, just follow these quick steps and let the discussions begin. Thanks for watching, and enjoy connecting with more people on X.